New arrival today, Westport Auto Center. It's a 1970 Monte Carlo SS Super Sport 454, numbers matching, unbelievable paint job, 3 coats of ceramic on it, all the chrome trim bright works. It's absolutely fantastic on this car. One of roughly 3,800 made. You can only get the 454 and 70 with an automatic, so no 4-speeds with the 454, guys and gals. Paint is just phenomenal. All the body lines gaps are really nice. Only found a couple teeny chips that had been touched up prior to the ceramic coat. Again, all the chrome trim bright work. Just absolutely drop dead gorgeous on it. Bucket seat, center console, AC, full gauges, tachometer. Interior is spectacular as well. There's an automatic factory trunk release on it. Just a nice car. You can see paint's to die for. Mirror-like finish, like almost submerge yourself in it. One of the nicest probably you will find for sale in the market today. Cracks in the dash, just a nice example. Bottoms of the doors are nice. So it's just mirror-like. Package tray's nice, headliner's nice, dome lights working. I know the blinkers lights, all the gauges work. Factory radio is not hooked up. It's got an 8-track, but it's got an aftermarket radio. The AC was not blowing cold, so we are going to look into that. Just got the car in on Monday. Out on the old internet. Just a drop dead gorgeous car. Pressed to find any flaws that jump out at you in the paint. Oh, you can see out here in the sun, the swirls were all removed, professional paint correction, 3 coats of ceramic. Just hard to beat a car like this. You just don't see them. There's tons of Chevelles and Camaros and Novas. Love them all. You just don't see that many real Monte Carlo SS 454s, numbers matching, bucket seat, center console, factory air car. So it won't last. Take this thing for a spin. Get this video up on the internet. This is a 4K video, so when you look at it on your computer, you might want to adjust your settings because it is 4K, and you'll be able to see just how nice this car is. I mean, it's nice. please like and share the video. If you would, subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos we've got. Leave your comments and feedback in the section below. Love to hear it. Your thoughts on the video, the car, any videos or cars you'd like us to shoot, we'll be more than happy to try to accommodate that. If you are wanting to fly in and check it out in person, no problem. We're about 25 minutes from International Airport, St. Louis. More than happy to pick you up and bring you here to view the car or any cars we have. www.westportautocenter.com. You can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all the usual places. And we're just in the suburbs of St. Louis, a small town called Fenton. We have 3 warehouses full of cars. Probably have something that you would like. Check us out on the internet. This one won't last. See ya. Have a great day.